Ladies and gentlemen, today we celebrate a milestone that marks not just the passage of time, but the dawn of a new era in automotive excellence. 1 year ago, the Cadillac Lyriq rolled onto the scene, not just as a vehicle, but as a statement, a bold declaration of innovation, luxury, and sustainability. It was more than a car, it was a vision of the future brought to life. The Lyriq wasn't just Cadillac's first all electric vehicle, it was a symbol of transformation. It represented a commitment to redefining what luxury means in a world that demands more responsibility, more innovation, and more connection. From its sleek aerodynamic design to its cutting edge technology, the Lyriq was designed to inspire. Its Ultium battery platform set a new standard for range and performance, proving that sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing power or style. But the Lyriq is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's a testament to Cadillac's legacy of pushing boundaries. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with American luxury, and with the Lyriq, it has once again raised the bar. The attention to detail, the premium materials, the immersive 33-inch LED display. Every element was crafted to create an experience that is as intuitive as it is exhilarating. Over the past year, the Lyriq has not only captured the imagination of drivers, but has also set a new benchmark for what an electric vehicle can be. It has shown us that the future of mobility is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about doing so with elegance, purpose, and a sense of responsibility to the planet we call home. As we reflect on this first year, we are reminded that the Lyriq is more than just a car. It's a movement. It's a promise to future generations that luxury and sustainability can coexist. It's a reminder that innovation is not just about what we create, but about the impact we leave behind. So here's to the Cadillac Lyriq, a vehicle that has redefined the road ahead. Here's to the engineers, designers, and visionaries who brought this dream to life. And here's to the drivers who have embraced this new chapter in automotive history. The Lyriq is not just a car for today, it's a beacon for tomorrow. And as we look to the future, we know that the best is yet to come. Thank you.